Hey guys, I'm Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and today we've got a halfling pirate. Now this is for the $1 supporters over on Patreon, so yeah, let's go check out how he was made. Now, majority of this model was actually put together in ZBrush. So if you guys aren't aware of ZBrush, it's a sculpting program. Now, there's a bunch of other sculpting programs out there, and I think ZBrush is probably one of the higher end ones, so you'll hear a lot of people talking about it when they're talking about modeling anything. They'll just say ZBrush. So yeah, if you hear that, it's a modeling program, and it's really awesome and kind of, it's a bit of a cheaty program, but it definitely takes skill to get your head around it. But once you get your head around it, it is an amazing program that you can literally create anything from it. If you've got the thought and if it's in your mind, you can create it for sure. So this guy was made in ZBrush, and I took him into Maya only to complete a couple of models, so like the hat and the bag, but they could have completely been made in ZBrush as well. Now, I'm not an expert at ZBrush, but I am learning, and I'm actually fairly confident with how this guy came out. I'm really happy with the end result, and I'm really keen to continue making more stuff through ZBrush. It's just all experimental, this kind of stuff, but it's all fun, and it's all for you guys, of course. So hopefully you guys like this model and enjoy some future models that I've got cooking up on ZBrush. And yeah, that's all I've got to say for this one. It's a real short one, pun intended. So if you guys are looking for a halfling pirate, you're more than welcome to head over to Patreon, and you can pledge a couple dollars per month. You don't have to, you can just look over on Thingiverse for the stuff that I release there. I won't be releasing any of my DnD models there, unfortunately, but yeah, somehow I have to pay bills, and you guys are making me able to do that. You are really, like, the supporters over there are just awesome. I'm loving you guys, and thank you so much. And thank you for watching right here and right now. So, as always, I'll see you guys around, and stay awesome. See ya.